Hi friends, today we are going to bake gluten-free banana walnut cake. Okay, so it's very easy. So tara na, simulan na natin. So for this cake, we will need 3 eggs, 1 cup, about 1 cup of walnuts, crushed walnuts, and one sachet of baking powder, and we really need ripe bananas, so 3 ripe bananas, and we will need 100 grams of butter and 80 to 100 grams of brown sugar, and we need gluten-free rice flour. I hope you like this dish, and if you do, please give me a like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our videos. See you soon. Mata na!